In this video I'm going to have a look at this dust guard and see if it's any good. Now I only paid about £5 or £6 in Aldi's for this, so I've had an absolute bargain because I've noticed they're £15 upwards on the internet. As you can see from the pictures, fundamentally all it is a large sheet that you secure to the door frame that seals off the room that you're working in from the rest of the house. Comes with a 10-metre roll of duct tape included, so you can use that to secure it to the door frame, making a perfect seal. There's two zippers up the middle, so this will allow you to go in and out of the room whenever the dust is settled. In the box you get your roll of duct tape, 10 metres worth, and then your dust guard which goes up against the door. The best way to describe this would be like a tent like material, so hopefully it should hold any dust at bay. Okay, so here's the dust guard. It's quite big. I think it's going to be plenty big enough for our door frame. So we'll attach it up like that. As you can see, it's far too big for our door frame, to be honest, but we'll have to have a little mess about, maybe fold it over like that, and then we can seal it down the door frame now rather than on the wallpaper. So I'll get that all taped up and you can join me in a second once I've done that. So what I did here was laid the sheet on the floor, ran the tape along the sheet first lightly, and then stuck that up to the, held it up to the top and stuck it down. So that's up there now, so we can run the other duct tape down the edges to seal it right up and along the bottom. So there we go, that's all sealed right away from the top to the bottom and across the carpet at the bottom as well. Now to get inside, we simply unzip both sides like so. There's Velcro across the bottom, and then if needs be we can roll that up out of the way like that. These things here, got two tabs, that around there, and attach it to the Velcro there. Same this side, wrap that around there, into the Velcro there. So now you can get in and out of the room easily, and if you need to seal it back up you can just drop that down and zip it all back up and Velcro it along the bottom. I'm going to be putting this to the ultimate test tomorrow because I'm going to be chasing out the walls in there with a grinder. Now anybody who's ever done that will know that the dust gets everywhere all around the house. So hopefully this is going to prove its worth and keep the dust from going around the rest of the house so I don't get into trouble with the other half. Okay, it's the following day. I spent about 3 to 4 hours in this room earlier, grinding out the walls, channeling out ready to fit some sockets. So it was a right old mess in here. I could hardly see your hand in front of your face at some points. So come and have a look, I'll show you in here. As you can see, the walls are covered in dust. There's dust all over the windowsill. Carpet we have got left down, it's covered in dust, absolutely bogging. But outside the room, right next to the door and the dust guard, the wallpaper is in mint condition. There's not one speck of dust on it. There's no dust on the carpet, and there's a mirror by here, and there's not one speck of dust on that either. So was it worth it? Did it work? Yes it did, and yes it is worth it. £5 or £6 or £15 or £16. I think the fact that this stops the dust going all around the house when you're grinding or you're doing any work in the room is worth every penny. The only issue that we did have with it is that left up overnight the duct tape did come away slightly on the edge and on the top it sort of fell down. We did leave this rolled up, so that might have been putting a bit of extra weight on it. Also, if you used a better quality duct tape, maybe that would help the situation. So I'm going to give Dustguard a big thumbs up. If you've liked the video or you found it useful, please give it a thumbs up too. If you've got any comments or questions, please leave them in the box below, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.